Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gem over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a flyer design on a Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So let's move down to our Pixellab Pro, and we have to delete this default, it's of no use. So the first thing that we have to do now is that if you check this video description, you will find the image used in the tutorial there. So load the image one by one and I'll show you how you to use it. So the first thing that we are going to do now is that let's add the image that we want to use as our background from our gallery. Yeah, so we are going to use this sneakers. Let's just resize it to 100 and let's add the other one. Yeah, so let's resize it to 100. Yeah, so you can see we have the template already. So the first thing that we have to add now is that let's add a text, and we are going to edit it as So this is how the contact info will be. So after this, let's lock it, let's lock everything and add another text. So this text,
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have
yeah. So after this contact website, the next text that we have to add now is that we add
everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Hold me close till I get up.
yeah. So after this 50% off, the next text that we are going to add now is
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
so guys, you can see how beautiful and amazing this is. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you one more time, I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.
Thank you for watching Oxygen Graphics. If you found today's tutorial enjoyable or useful, let me know in the comments section and drop a like on your way out. Subscribe to stay updated on all of my uploads, and until next time, design your future today. Peace out.